Stealth 600.
150 freaking bucks. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. Where are we going? Get a cart. We are at Target. The reason why we're here is because the young man need to get a new keyboard because his keyboard stopped working. Oh look, pretty. So this is Aloha shop. They have lace, beautiful orchid lace. Okay, not the kind of lace that you guys are thinking. Not lace potato either. These are orchid lace. And oh my gosh, and they're like $10, almost $11. Yeah, okay, let's go. And for myself, I'm debating whether to get this, but I'm not sure yet. So which one is it? Zero down. This is kind of big. This is almost like the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the Note, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna need me one of these little Gorilla Pod, but I don't know what to get. I had I have a grip pod and a Joby like thing, but it's annoying. It's so flimsy. It doesn't really do its job the right way. Well, I could go either for this one, Mercury, I don't know, or another Joby. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Huh?
The Stealth 600.
150 freaking bucks. Are you kidding me? Only for gaming though, yeah?
Huh?
You like that one? Is it better than the first one? They're gonna promise to take care of it? It looks kind of ugly. How much is that thing? What is that? Let me show me. What do you have?
The Razer Blackwidow keyboard.
Okay. You sure you want that?
I'm not actually sure.
Why? You have to make decisions somehow. So what do you want?
I'm not sure. Let me check out all the games.
Okay. How much? 50 bucks. Oh, you can get it, but you have to make sure you have to take care of it. Look at this thing. Ooh, nice. He made up his mind. He wanted to get the Blackwidow. What is that? Mechanical gaming keyboard. And how much is that?
$59.99.
$60. So mommy has to work an hour and a half for that. Okay then, so let's go. So the freaking keyboard wasn't even 60 bucks. It's like $160. I am so not happy with that because he had a water damage in his original keyboard. So that means I can actually tell him to do stuff like clean his room, make sure he clean his room, and remind him to do things. So I really hate adulting, I tell you guys. But anyway, let's go get something for myself, coffee or something to calm my nerves down, no? But I like Target because they got one-stop shop for pretty much everything that you need if you want convenience. They got your fruits, your vegetable, and meats. Not really my favorite for the quality, but it's better than nothing. We got tomato, and we got avocado, onions over there, and all the fruits and the vegetable on the side. You just have to pick which one you want. Do you feel like I want to eat chicken today? Just chicken. That man wants hamburger. I guess he wants me to make a cheeseburger. I guess cheeseburger. Really want steak tonight, but then he didn't want steak. He wants a cheeseburger. So now I'm looking for a good cheese to put into that burger. I guess I'll go with a Swiss. Okay. What juice do you want? You want that one? What is that? Passion orange, yeah? Okay, so I kind of like juice. I don't know what juice I want. I kind of feel like taking this one. Ooh, $4.99 though. Yeah. I guess we got what we need. Did you get the bun? Did you find the bun? Let's go.
No, I just got macaroni.
That's fine. That's fine. Let's go. We gotta go home. Traffic.
We gotta find the bun.
Right over there. Bumog. Some bananas. Bananas, anyone? It's all green. All the way from... Where are you from? Ecuador. Oh, my little man is doing the shopping. I'm so proud of him. He listens. So we got what we need. What do we have? A little bit of grocery. And a little bit of a keyboard, whatever. Oh my God. And all set for today. And the weather is really not happy today. It's sad. Look. And it's a little bit on the humid side. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Aloha.